check the rack 12 status when you get a chance.
Already on it, almost there.
Houston, module diagnostics running nominal. Power levels stable at 80%.
The universe is not just expanding, it's accelerating. And that acceleration is the most profound mystery of our time. So in quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition.
All teams, flight is go for orbital insertion burn. Execute sequence Alpha immediately.
Did you get yours secured, Kenji?
Almost. This Velcro is strong.
We wouldn't want it floating away.
This is a nice change of pace from the rations. Yeah.
I could get used to this.
This is the BioCube Experiment Unit 7, where we monitor plant growth under optimized conditions.
Did you see the latest readouts on the biomass sensor?
Yes, the growth rate has exceeded our projections by nearly 12%.
The reality is, deep space missions rely entirely on our ability to grow food off-world.
Your vitals are well within acceptable parameters, Lieutenant. The microfracture stabilized nicely.
The results look excellent, Thomas. Everything is perfectly nominal.
That is good news, Doctor. Thank you. All systems are go.
Copy that. Ready for diagnostics.
Telemetry is showing a pressure drop in Sector Gamma. I need eyes on that immediately.
Comms, confirm status check with the crew.
Confirming nominal trajectory. All systems are green.
We're seeing a pressure drop in the starboard coupling.
Copy that, Houston. Rerouting coolant now.
Commander Petrova, we are showing a pressure drop in the aft module. Acknowledge.
Telemetry shows a pressure drop in Sector Gamma. Advise immediate recalibration of the primary manifold.
Over. The station is maintaining a stable orbit.
Confirmed. Tracking the pass over the Atlantic now.
Commander, trajectory remains nominal.
Proceed with the alignment sequence. Over.
Copy that, Houston. Proceeding with manual override.
The scale of the international partnership required to keep the International Space Station operational is frankly astounding. It's a magnificent, continuous ballet of logistics and trust.
Berthing sequence initiated. Confirming hard mate.
Copy that, Houston. Starting the automated bolting sequence now.
We are maintaining geostationary orbit. The vortex structure remains stable, though convection is deepening on the eastern side.
We have visual contact. The eye of the storm is stable.
All seals and connections verified secure.
Copy that. Houston confirms green on telemetry. Proceed with depressurization.
Okay, comms check. How's everyone doing in there?
面吞已缩乙，哈利起始正常。
收到 B， 任意计时开启。
Okay, flight, we are approaching the keyhole. All systems green. Proceed with the maneuver sequence.
Houston, confirming EVA task completion. Returning to airlock now.
The view is incredible, Houston. I'm proceeding with the inspection now. All systems green. This one is stubborn, Houston. Increasing torque now. Okay, we have rotation.
And we are go for latch. Capture is confirmed. The E-box is installed.
Mission Control, this is Rodriguez. I have successfully secured the equipment. Preparing for installation.
Houston, the torque wrench isn't gripping. I'm getting resistance at the housing joint.
Oh, finally.
FCR, we have main engine cut off.
FDO, trajectory is fully stabilized.
Capcom, tell the crew they are go for orbit.
Houston, this is Endeavour. Visual contact with the target.
Torque wrench engaging. Confirmation tone received on sequence 3.
The beauty of these equations lies not just in their complexity, but in their ability to describe the very fabric of space-time itself. Ultimately, the International Space Station is the most enduring symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together.
Mission log.